Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Beatrice. Today's sequence is a very short sequence for you to move out of the desk and into a little bit of gentle mindful movement. So if you've been working all day, sitting, and you just want to stand up and get a little bit of movement in as well, you don't need a mat today, you don't need any prop, you can stay dressed as you are, just taking off your shoes and your socks if you can, and come in practice with me. Right, so starting this practice with feet hip-width distance apart, parallel to each other if you can. And starting by grounding into the feet, so lifting the toes off the ground, spreading them apart, feeling into the soles. Notice if you're grounded into all four corners of the feet. And then gently planting them back down. Try not to grip onto the toes though. And bringing the arms either side of your body, palms facing forward. And from your feet, bring your awareness up. So if you can now, close your eyes. Otherwise, just keep a soft gaze down in front of you. Bring the arms either side of the body. And from the awareness of the feet, grow your awareness up into the ankles. Notice if there's anything going on. Noticing the calves and the shins. The knees. Your thighs. Notice the area around the hips. Chances are if you've been sitting all day for work at a laptop, you might have a little bit of tightness around that area of the hips, especially at the front. And then notice the length of your back, your spine, the shoulders. Maybe you've been hunching forward. And continue down through the arms, upper arm, forearm, each hand and fingers. And there as well, there might be a little bit of discomfort from typing. Try to relax the shoulders down and continue your awareness up through the neck. Notice both sides. And then up into the face. Trying to grow a little bit taller through the crown of the head while keeping the chin slightly tucked into the chest, and dropping the shoulders as you gently press the chest forward and the collarbones up to the ceiling. Just taking notice of the breath before we start the movement. Notice if you can breathe in and out through the nostrils. If that's not available for you today, by all means, breathe through the mouth. And gently trying to bring the breath into the belly rather than up into the chest and the shoulders. Trying to keep that area of the upper body, chest and shoulders, as still as possible, as soft as possible. Just bringing the breath into the belly. Don't be afraid to bring the belly out as you breathe in. And as you exhale, contract it back in, bring it all back through center, exhale completely, all the air out. As you keep this gentle breath, you can start to move your head from side to side, so right ear to right shoulder, and in semicircles, dropping chin to the chest, left ear to left shoulder. You can keep your eyes closed or open your eyes, doesn't matter. Gently feeling into the sides of the neck, see if one side feels different than the other. And then if this is not enough, you want a little bit of openness through the front of your neck as well. Start to circle all the way around. You can point the chin up to the ceiling. Try not to dump the head back. Maintain some integrity in through the neck, painting circles with the nose. Just 3 times one way and then 3 times the other way. So as you finished one way, reverse the circle. trying to maintain the rest of the body as still as possible, just bringing some mobility back into the neck. And come back through center. Now you've felt which side of the neck felt a little bit tighter than the other. So starting with a side that feels a little bit freer. So for me, it's usually the left side. So I'm going to drop my right ear to right shoulder. But you can do it the other way, depending on which one feels a little bit better. If this is not enough, lengthen the opposite arm out to the side. So for me, left arm out. And reach the fingertip out and down. If it's not enough, you can bring the opposite hand to the side of your head. And rather than pressing the head down, bring it up and away from the shoulder. Keep pointing the nose forward for now. And then maybe flip the palm up to the ceiling and bring the hand forward. See if it makes any difference to the areas of your neck that you feel. Inhale, come back through center, open the chest. Exhale, bring the hand forward. Inhale through center. Exhale, forward. Inhale, come back through center, palm down, reach the fingertips out. And this time, bring the head to face down underneath your armpit. And you can hold the head from the back this time. See if you feel anything going on down the neck, maybe even down the arm. And then exhale, release, chin down to the chest. Come to the other side, ear to shoulder. And reach the opposite arm out to the side. Fingertips point down to the ground and out. Starting with the nose pointing forward. Maybe adding the hand to the side of your face and bringing the head away from the shoulders. Flipping the palm up, bringing it forward. Inhale, open up. Exhale, bring it forward. Trying to maintain the rest of the body in line. I might have tipped a little bit to the side. Inhale, open up. Exhale, forward. Last one. Inhale, open up. Exhale, forward. Return to center, fingertips point down. And start to face down towards the ground under your armpit. See where you feel this one. Exhale, chin down to the chest, release the hands. Inhale, lift the head back up in line with the spine, chin parallel to the ground. So from here, inhale, lift the arms up to the sky. Grab your left wrist with the right hand and tip your body to the right, hips to the left, side bend. Inhale, come through center, switch sides, switch wrists and go to the left. Inhale through center, exhale, release, switch wrists, go to the right. Inhale through center, last one to the left. Inhale, come through center, bring the arms parallel to the ground, left arm, right arm underneath the left. Bend your elbows and either stay here and you can have the back of the hands facing together or directly attached to each other, or wrap all the way around to find your palms. Try not to pull onto any finger. As you inhale, bring the arms up and away from you. As you exhale, twist to the right. Keep the hips facing forward as much as you can. Inhale through center. Exhale, opposite side to the left. Inhale through center. Release the arms and switch sides. Left arm underneath the right. Bend the elbows, option here. Stay or wrap around. Inhale, lift up and away. Exhale, this time twist to the left first. Inhale through center and exhale to twist to the right. Inhale through to center, exhale, release. And let's come to the wrists now and the hand. You might have typed away today. So bring your left elbow in towards the waist, bending the elbow about 90 degrees. Hold your forearm with the right hand. So trying to keep the rest of your body still, belly engaged as well. As you keep breathing, try to inhale and press the palm towards the front. The fingertips point down. Try to keep the fingertips together, fingers together. Try not to move them to help your movement. Inhale, lift them up, palm towards you. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, lift it. And last one, down. Then bring the hand parallel to the ground and start to tip it to the right. So come in. Bring it to center, go out. And you might notice that one movement feels a bit more difficult than the other. That's normal. Bring it in and take it out. Come through center and move to the other side. So this time, right elbow comes in, bending the elbow by 90 degrees, holding the forearm and starting by opening the palm forward. Try to keep the fingers still. Inhale, lift it up. Open it forward. Lift it up. And you're going to notice that if you're right-handed, right side's a lot more difficult than the left. Completely normal. Come back through parallel to the ground. Bring it in. And take it out. Bring it in. And take it out. And release, shake the hands. And just adding a little bit of a flow just to move the whole body into quarter sun salutations. So I'll show you from the side. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, palms together down through the heart. Hinge from the hip, come down to fold. Inhale, rather than coming to a halfway lift, drop the hips down, bring the arms parallel to the ground. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come to halfway lift. Hands at the shins. Back straight. Exhale, fold. You can bend the knees. Inhale, drop the hips, come back to that squat, arms parallel to the ground. Exhale and fold. Halfway lift, inhale, hands at the shins. Exhale, fold, bend the knees as much as you can, as you need to bring the abdomen down to the thighs. And you can hold onto opposite elbow, relax the head down, let it hang heavy, bringing some traction into the neck as well. And just swing from side to side, just getting the all back to decompress. Release the hands, inhale, round all the way up to standing. So we'll keep it rounding and let the arms hang heavy, the head hang heavy as you come all the way back to Tadasana, mountain pose. And as you reach the top, open the chest, palms go back down to face the front. So from here, see if you can bring your body weight out to the right. Come onto the toes of your left foot. Just getting a little bit of balance as well. Maybe you can lift that foot off the ground, bring the knee a little bit closer to your chest. And obviously also if your clothes allow, if your trousers allow. If they do, you might want to hold onto your knee and squeeze it in towards the chest. Keep holding with the left hand. Keep the right hand on your hip. See if you can open out to the side with the left. Inhale, come through center. And exhale, release it down. Moving through the other side, left foot grounds down, right leg comes up onto the toes first. If you feel that your clothes allow and you feel comfortable and stable, bring that right leg up towards the chest or the tummy. Maybe hold onto the hands. If you want to, bring that right leg out to the side as you hold your left hip stable. Inhale through center. And exhale to gently release it down. Inhale, lift the arms up to the sky, interlace the fingers, bring the hands to the back of your head. Take a moment. As you inhale, open the elbows, open the heart, collarbones up to the sky. And exhale, release it down. Come back to Tadasana, palms forward. And just take notice of how your body feels. You can close your eyes. You can come back to this little sequence anytime you need through the day. And if you can, every 20 minutes to half an hour or so, get off the desk and take a stretch, take a walk. Maybe meditate. You can find a few meditations on the channel. You can stay here and observe your body and your breath for as long as you need to. But if you need to go, bring the hands together at heart center and thank yourself. And when you're ready to close the practice, exhale and bow down. Thank you very much for practicing with me. I hope this helped get a little bit of a break through the day, through work. And if you need to, come back to any other video, any longer practice, maybe a vinyasa if you like that, or yin practice. And I hope you join me again soon for one of my next videos.